Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly with Jolly's Healing Touch. I'm here today to talk to you about using diffusers. It can really help you with your well-being, increasing relaxation, and reducing pathogens in the air. So stay tuned. Before we begin, I do want to let you know that I am a licensed massage therapist. I do not treat or diagnose diseases. However, I do share information about the beneficial aspects of essential oils and how they can be used in your everyday life. So excited to share how to use your diffuser. This is my diffuser. I don't know if you can see that, the light is kind of shining off of it. I love this thing, so we'll be showing you shortly how I use my diffuser. A few things you need before you start using your diffuser. You'll need some distilled water, an essential oil, and of course, your diffuser. First, you remove the top of the diffuser and you fill the well of the diffuser with some distilled water. And there's usually a line, you don't want to go past the line. There's usually a line that you want to just reach. And then you choose your essential oil. So this is usually, depends on what you're looking for. So if you would like to purify your environment, purify the air of pathogens, you can use your citrus fresh or lemon or grapefruit. Lemon and citrus fresh, any citrus kind of scents also will increase relaxation as well as purify the air. Also, lavender is a beautiful one to diffuse, so you can use that. Ylang Ylang, we have Ylang Ylang, and that's a beautiful, very flowery smell. That's great for relaxation and hormonal imbalance. And we have Gentle Baby for babies, but let's go and use our citrus fresh. So you simply open, and about 8 drops is all you need. About 8 drops is all you need. Then you cover your well, and then you place the cover on it, and you turn on your machine. Beautiful. I don't know if you can already see the steam, or actually it's not a steam, it's with air diffuser. It's an air diffuser. You don't want to use heat with these oils. Using heat, or sometimes they call them diffusers, and they place the candle, so you smell it, you may smell the aroma, but you're also changing the therapeutic effects of the oil if you're using heat. That's why an air diffuser is the best. This diffuser is one of my favorites. It's called the Desert Diffuser, and it changes colors. I love that. You can change the colors, the setting. This is like a candle setting, so it kind of looks like a candle wavering, the candlelight. This one has the different colors, red, and then it'll change and shift to orange, green. So I love this diffuser, blue, depending on what effect and what light you want. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope it's been beneficial. Happy diffusing. So excited to share about our giveaway. We will be giving away an essential oil once we reach our 100 subscribers, and we're very close. So I will link the video below that talks about a little bit more about the essential oil we'll be giving away. Stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching this video and our other videos. Please see the link below for the links to our other videos on essential oils for helping with relaxation, anxiety, hormonal imbalance, and more. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. See you next time.